Facts about Marvel Cinematic Universe that will amaze you. The first Marvel movie, Iron Man, was released in 2008 and starred Robert Downey Jr. as Tony Stark. The Marvel Cinematic Universe, MCU, is the highest-grossing film franchise in history. Avengers: Endgame is the highest-grossing film of all time, earning over $2.8 billion at the box office. Black Panther was the first superhero film to be nominated for Best Picture at the Academy Awards. Spider-Man: No Way Home is the most highly anticipated Marvel movie of 2021. The character of Thanos was introduced in the post-credits scene of The Avengers. The MCU includes over 25 films and TV shows, with more in development. Stan Lee, the co-creator of many Marvel characters, made cameos in almost all of the Marvel movies before his passing. Captain Marvel was the first Marvel movie to feature a female superhero in the lead role. The Avengers was the first movie to bring together multiple Marvel characters in one film. Guardians of the Galaxy features a talking raccoon and a tree-like creature as members of the superhero team. Thor: Ragnarok was directed by Taika Waititi, who injected his signature humor into the film. Doctor Strange introduced the concept of the multiverse to the MCU. Spider-Man: Into the Spider-Verse is not part of the MCU, but is a critically acclaimed animated film based on the Spider-Man comics. The character of Nick Fury, played by Samuel L. Jackson, appeared in multiple Marvel movies as the leader of S.H.I.E.L.D. The character of Loki, played by Tom Hiddleston, has his own TV show on Disney+. The character of Iron Man, played by Robert Downey Jr., sacrificed himself to save the universe in Avengers: Endgame. The character of Black Widow, played by Scarlett Johansson, finally received her own solo movie in 2021. The MCU has introduced several new heroes, such as Shang-Chi and Eternals, to diversify its lineup. Ant-Man and Ant-Man and the Wasp featured the character of Scott Lang, played by Paul Rudd, as a humorous and unconventional superhero. In Spider-Man: Homecoming, 2017, Peter Parker's best friend Ned Leeds was originally a reporter in the comics. Iron Man 2, 2010, was the first MCU movie to feature a post-credits scene that teased a future film. Thor: Ragnarok, 2017, was directed by Taika Waititi, who also voiced the character Korg. Captain Marvel, 2019, was the first Marvel movie with a female lead. Guardians of the Galaxy, 2014, was the first Marvel movie to feature a soundtrack made up entirely of pop songs. Avengers: Infinity War, 2018, featured over 60 Marvel characters, including heroes and villains. The character of Loki has appeared in 6 Marvel movies, played by Tom Hiddleston. During the filming of Iron Man, Robert Downey Jr. would often sneak off set to take naps. The famous "I am Iron Man" line from the end of the first Iron Man movie was improvised by Robert Downey Jr. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more such facts.